This First Case Articles on the Go feature is titled Instrument Tray Optimization, written by Paul Wafer, BS, MBA, RN. Do you know the last time the surgical instrument tray recipes in your organization were revised? If you don't, you're not alone. Typically, if they are revised, it's to add something new to a tray, not take something out. I recently read two studies, one from Chicago Pritzker School of Medicine and another from Fredericton Medical College of Wisconsin, that show unused instruments and trays range between 30% to 78%. In my opinion, this number is staggering. Consider the labor and supplies utilized to reprocess items that are not needed. One of the studies put the cost of reprocessing a single instrument at 51 cents. This number is based on the cost of cleaning supplies, labor, maintenance, and replacement. Even if the cost is only half of that, the savings would be very significant. For example, let's assume you are a medium-sized community hospital that uses about 4,000 surgical trays per month, and that each tray has an average of 60 instruments. If you just remove 20% of those instruments from the trays, your yearly savings would be $149,760. This is a conservative estimate based on a low range of unused instruments and a low cost per instrument processed. Other benefits can be gained by undertaking this exercise. The studies also showed that the larger the trays, the more probability of assembly errors and missing instruments. By optimizing the trays, you are apt to find improved accuracy rates and fewer missing items. Tackling an issue like this requires a team approach and includes staff from the OR, SPD, and input from surgeons as well. This is a daunting task which takes both time and effort and can be exceedingly challenging when there are always other competing priorities. To be successful, additional resources may be required for a period of time. But while the time and effort may be challenging, the benefits and cost savings far outweigh the time needed to optimize our trays. As always, thanks for listening to this episode of First Case Articles on the Go.